Morning everyone, this is Shahnaz Parveen and today I am going to start a new topic, linear equations of second order. So, an equation of the form d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equals to r is known as linear differential equation of second order, where p, q and r are function of x only. Now, methods for solving linear differential equation of second order. We will discuss two methods. The first one is by changing independent variable and the second one is by variation of parameters. Today we will discuss only one method by changing independent variable. So working rule is step 1. Write the given differential equation in standard form. d square y by dx square plus p dy by dx plus qy is equals to r. Step 2. Let the independent variable be changed from x to z. For this we assume z such that dz by dx whole square is equals to mod q. dz by dx whole square is equals to a fx. Q is equals to a fx. F is function of x and a is some constant, where z is independent variable. From equation 2, dz by dx is equals to root over a fx, and on integrating, z is equals to integration of root a fx dx. This is equation 3. Now step 3 is, with the relation 3, the given differential equation 1 transformed into relation 3 is the value of z root a fx dx. इस रिलेशन के साथ जो गिवन डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमारा ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाएगा इस फॉर्म में डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी जेड स्क्वायर प्लस पी वन डी वाई बाई डी जेड प्लस क्यू वन वाई इज इक्वल्स टू आर वन. एक्स ट्रांसफॉर्म हो गया है जेड में, वेयर पी वन इज इक्वल्स टू डी स्क्वायर जेड बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस पी डी जेड बाई डी एक्स बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर. क्यू वन इज इक्वल्स टू क्यू बाई डी जेड बाई डी एक्स होल स्क्वायर and r1 is equals to r by dz by dx whole square. Now calculate the values of p1, q1 and r1 and substitute in equation 4, then solve the equation. We get the required general solution. So कुछ क्वेश्चन हम लोग सॉल्व करते हैं जिससे क्लियर हो जाएगा हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट. Here p is equals to 2 by x, q is equals to a square by x to the power 4 and r is equals to 0. Choose z such that dz by dx whole square is equals to mod q, which is equals to a square by x to the power 4. dz by dx is equals to plus minus a by x square. dz is equals to plus minus a by x square dx. On integrating we get z is equals to minus plus a by x. So z is equals to, we take positive value a by x. By changing independent variable from x to z, we have d square y by dz square plus p1 dy by dz plus q1 y is equals to r1, where p1 is equals to d square z by dx square plus p dz by dx by dz by dx whole square, which is equals to z is a by x. So d square z by dx square 2a by x cube plus p is 2 by x dz by dx is minus a by x square, and this is equals to a square by x to the power 4, and cancel is equals to p1 is equals to 0. q1 is equals to q by dz by dx whole square, which is equals to q is equals to a square by x to the power 4 by dz by dx is also is equals to x to the power 4, which is equals to 1. r1 is equals to r by dz by dx whole square. R is 0, so r1 is equals to 0. So we take this equation as equation 2. Putting values of P1, Q1 and R1 in equation 2. We get the transformed equation as d square y by dz square plus P1. P1 is 0, Q1 is 1, R1 is 0, which is linear differential equation with constant coefficient. और हम लोग पहले ही से जानते हैं कि लीनियर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन विथ कांस्टेंट कोएफिशिएंट को किस तरह से सॉल्व किया जाता है. हेयर ऑक्सिलरी इक्वेशन इज m square plus 1 is equals to 0, m square is equals to minus 1 and m is equals to plus minus I. So complementary function is the general solution. Y is equals to c1 cos z plus c2 sin z, and c1 cos z is equals to x by a plus c2 sin x by a, which is required general solution. The second question is x d square y by dx square minus dy by dx plus 4x cube y is equals to x to the power 5, and the third question is x d square y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 4x cube y is equals to 8x cube sin x square. मैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 बताती हूँ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आप लोग खुद से ट्राई कीजिएगा. This is not in standard form, so convert it first in standard form. D square y by dx square minus 1 by x dy by dx minus 4x square y is equals to 8x square sin x square. P is equals to minus 1 by x, Q is equals to minus 4x square, R is equals to 8x square sin x square. Choose Z such that dz by dx whole square is equals to mod q is equals to 4x square dz by dx is equals to 2x. Z is equals to x square. By changing independent variable from x to z, we have d square z d square y by dz square plus p1 d square y dy by dz plus q1y is equals to r1, where p1 is equals to d square z by dx square plus p dz by dx z is equals to x square, so d square z by dx square is 2 plus p is equals to minus 1 by x, dz by dx is 2x by 4x square. This will cancel and we get 0. q1 is equals to q by dz by dx whole square. q is equals to minus 4x square by dz by dx square is, we get minus 1. r1 is equals to r by dz by dx whole square, which is equals to r is 8x square sin x square by 4x square. We get 2 sin x square and x square is equals to z. The transformed equation is, we put the values of p1, q1 and r1 in equation this. We take this equation as 2. p1 is 0 and q1 is minus 1 y is equals to r1, which is 2 sin z. Clearly, this is a linear differential equation with constant coefficient, which is linear differential equation with constant coefficients. So auxiliary equation is complementary function is equals to c1 e to the power z plus c2 e to the power minus z, and particular integral is equals to 1 by d square minus 1 2 sin z and 2 1 by minus 1 square minus 1 sin z minus 2 sin z minus sin z. So complete solution is y is equals to cf plus pi, c1 e to the power z plus c2 e to the power minus z minus sin z, and z is equals to एक्स स्क्वायर sin x square, which is required general solution. आई होप स्टूडेंट आज का लेक्चर आप लोगों को क्लियर हुआ होगा। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। थैंक यू।